Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, which is, can I create forms in Basecamp? The answer is yes, you can create forms in Basecamp, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about what Basecamp is and why you might want to use it to create forms. Basecamp is a project management software that helps you to organize your work and collaborate with your team. It has a variety of features, including the ability to create tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. One of the features that Basecamp offers is the ability to create forms. This can be a great way to collect information from your team or clients, such as feedback on a project, customer information, or survey responses. So, let's get started on how to create forms in Basecamp. Creating a form in Basecamp. Log in to your Basecamp account. Click on the Projects tab. Select the project that you want to create a form in. Click on the Docs and Reports tab. Click on the Create a New Document button. Select the form template. Enter a name for your form. Click on the Create button. You will now be able to start creating your form. Adding fields to your form. There are a variety of different fields that you can add to your form, such as text fields, drop-down menus, checkboxes, and radio buttons. To add a field to your form, simply click on the Add Field button. Once you have added a field to your form, you can customize it by changing its label, description, and other properties. Formatting your form. Once you have added all of the fields that you want to your form, you can format it to make it look more professional. You can change the font, color, and background of your form. You can also add a header or footer to your form. Publishing your form. Once you have finished creating your form, you can publish it so that your team or clients can access it. To publish your form, click on the Publish button. Your form will now be available to your team or clients. They can access it by clicking on the Forms tab in your project. Using your form. Once your form has been published, you can use it to collect information from your team or clients. When someone fills out your form, their responses will be stored in Basecamp. You can view and manage these responses in the Forms tab of your project. Creating forms in Basecamp is a great way to collect information from your team or clients. It is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Basecamp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.